Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel, or just for fun, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones you can buy right now. From beginner-friendly budget options to advanced 4K flying cameras, we'll cover features, pros, cons, and help you choose the best one for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. We have the DJI Mini 4K, our top pick for the best drone in 2026. This drone offers true 4K UHD video, a 3-axis gimbal, DJI's industry-leading stabilization, and 10-kilometer video transmission. Its under 249 grams weight makes it highly portable, while the 31-minute battery life and strong wind resistance make it practical for real-world flying. For most people, this is the perfect balance of quality, ease of use, and reliability. Pros: true 4K UHD recording, best stabilization in its class, reliable DJI ecosystem, strong wind resistance. The best overall drone for beginners and enthusiasts in 2026. Number 2. Atom 2 Fly More Combo. Taking the second spot is the upgraded Atom 2 Fly More Combo. This drone brings premium-level features like 4K video, 8K photos, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, AI tracking, vertical shooting, and AI night mode. With 10-kilometer transmission range and 96 minutes total flight time, this is a powerful package for creators who want more advanced camera features without DJI-level pricing. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 8K photo capability, AI tracking features, excellent flight time. An excellent mid-range drone for content creators and travel vloggers. Number 3. Atom SE GPS Drone Fly More Combo. Is the Atom SE a strong DJI alternative with impressive battery life? This drone includes a 4K EIS camera, GPS support, and a Fly More Combo package with multiple batteries giving up to 93 minutes total flight time, which is excellent for extended shooting sessions. With brushless motors and 4-kilometer FPV transmission, it offers strong performance for the price. Pros: huge total flight time, 4K camera with EIS, brushless motors for durability, great value Fly More Combo. One of the best budget drones for longer flights and casual content creation. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 SE. We have the DJI Mini 2 SE, one of the best starter drones from DJI. This lightweight drone weighs under 249 grams, making it travel-friendly and registration-free in many regions. It features a 3-axis gimbal, which delivers much smoother footage than standard electronic stabilization. Even though it shoots QHD instead of full 4K, DJI's excellent flight stability and transmission quality make it highly reliable. Pros: excellent flight stability, reliable auto return home, 31-minute battery life, great beginner-friendly app. Perfect for beginners who want DJI reliability at a lower price. Number 5. GPS drone with EIS camera and 4.5-inch LCD controller. We have this feature-packed GPS drone designed for beginners and casual users. This drone comes with an EIS-stabilized camera, built-in GPS, and one of its standout features, a 4.5-inch LCD screen integrated into the controller, so you don't need to rely on your phone while flying. It also includes advanced intelligent flight modes like orbit mode, follow me, and auto return. For beginners, this is a strong entry point into drone flying without spending premium money. Pros: built-in LCD controller, GPS smart flight modes, lightweight under 249 grams, easy beginner controls. A solid beginner drone if convenience and ease of use are your priorities. So, those were the top 5 best drones in 2026. If you're a complete beginner, the DJI Mini 2 SE is a safe choice. If you want the best budget performance, go for the Atom SE. If you want premium features without going full premium price, the Atom 2 is a great option. And if you want the best overall experience, the DJI Mini 4K is our top recommendation. Check the product links in the description below if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more top product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.